Hey, Chef Billy Parisi here with Heinen's, and I'm going to show you how to make some delicious garlic steak bites going with a fantastic horseradish dipping sauce. The first thing we're going to do is start off with that sauce. So I've got a medium-sized bowl with some sour cream in there. We're going to add in some prepared horseradish, followed up with a little bit of Worcestershire sauce, and then we're going to season this up pretty well with some salt and fresh cracked black pepper. Go ahead and take the time and mix all of these ingredients together. This is a really great sauce for this steak, or any steak for that matter. Set it to the side, and then I'm going to pull out our steak from the refrigerator. I've got some filet mignon here, but you can absolutely use your favorite cut of steak. And Heinen's is so proud to partner with the Where Food Comes From program that is third-party source verified to know exactly where every animal comes from, what it eats from A to Z. Now what we're going to do is slice the fillets in half because they're a little bit thick, and we want these steak bites to be about 1 to 1.5 inch cubes so that they're nice bite-sized pieces and so they don't overcook in a hurry. Once they are cut, we're going to set them to the side. Next, we're going to add some olive oil to a very hot saute pan that is smoking. Add in your steak and then take the time to spread the beef all around the pan so that it doesn't steam cook, so that it gets a little bit of a sear on there. We're also going to season it well at this point with salt and pepper. For a nice medium rare to medium, you're looking at about 2 minutes per side. These are small, so they will cook very quickly. Once they are done cooking, we're going to set them to the side, put that pan back on the burner. We're going to make that butter sauce with garlic. So add in some unsalted butter, followed up with some finely minced garlic, and then begin to move those things around. They always say once you can smell garlic, it's done cooking. So after maybe 90 seconds or so, it should be done. We're going to hit it with a little Worcestershire sauce, mix in all of those ingredients, then add the steak right back to the pan. We're going to garnish with some fresh chopped parsley, mix everything together, and then we have some absolutely delicious garlic steak bites, and be sure to serve them up next to that horseradish dipping sauce. You will absolutely love this recipe.